Hey everybody, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone here with your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip comes from Cardone U's Selling Basics and Grant Cardone's book, Sell or Be Sold. People will pay more for a great attitude and great service than they will for a great product. A great product can be shopped, but you cannot. You don't come with the deal down the street. So is your attitude and your level of service something that people want to pay extra for? Think about that. Is your level of service and your attitude something that people want to pay extra for? If you're blending in with the competition, start looking immediately for ways that you can elevate your customer's experience on every level. This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, email david@grantcardone.com or pick up the phone and call 310-777-0352. That's david@grantcardone.com or 310-777-0352. And be great, because nothing else pays. See you soon.